Hey guys, in this makeup tutorial, I'm doing a look using the Neon Huda Beauty palette, and this is the one with the lime green and shimmery neutrals. I did do a pretty wearable look, kinda, slightly colorful. If you guys would like to see the look, keep watching. So I'm going to try to do this look as quickly as possible because I am running out of light. I'm priming my lips with my favorite, the Burt's Bees lip butter. This one is orange blossom and pistachio. I have 4 flavors that I use interchangeably, but they all are great, all smell amazing, and they make your lips feel so good. Even though I received those for free for a sponsored campaign, I love them to death. I still use them even after the campaign is over. They're really awesome. If you guys are looking for some lip balm these harsh winter months, that's great. I'm taking the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is a small sample size that came in the holiday sets. Just applying this as a primer all over both eyes. I know this is counterintuitive, but I'm using the Huda Beauty Neon. I don't know which neon it is because there are multiple. I have 3 of them. It's the green neon one. If I find the exact name, I'll have it in a blog post or whatnot. Using this palette here. Beautiful colors, right? Now it does have one neon shade in here. I'm taking this lime color. I mean, I have to use this. It's one of the main, well, all the colors are pretty, but this one's like one of the main neon colors in the palette. I'm gonna take that directly into the crease. I'm using a stiff tapered brush because I want it kind of intense. This is a Coastal Scents BRC N08. I'm bringing it pretty high too because I do want it to pop out above the other colors I'm using. For the lid now, I'm gonna take a different color. I'm using a flat brush. I'm taking this duochrome-ish pink here. It's actually in the bottom right, but when you flip it, this is it here. Sorry to be complicated, it's just easier to hold and cover my mirror like this. But I'm taking this color here. Absolutely beautiful. Taking a flat shaded brush. I'm applying this on my inner lid. When you apply it, it's actually not pink at all. It's more of a greenish gold, as you can see. Hopefully you can see that from afar. Which is kind of a disappointment. I didn't really want that. But I'm gonna go with it for now and apply something else on top. I didn't swatch these beforehand, that's why I had no idea it was like that. I don't think I'm gonna put anything on top. I'm gonna leave it as is, actually. I might put a different color in the tear duct. I'm gonna leave that as is. Next to it, I'm going to take this matte Pinky Peach. It's the only one in the palette. That one there. Using the same brush. I'm applying this in the middle. Not gonna blend out the outer corner or the 2 colors together just yet. I'm gonna go back into that inner corner color I used, sweeping it across, so I'm actually blending it out. Like I said, I wasn't. Okay, that's a pretty color combination. I'm gonna go into my outer V with this darker looking color. It's also a duochrome. It's not super bright. This color here, even though it looks dark, it's not dark at all. I'm just using fluffy outer corner brush that needs to be washed because I've used it so many times. This is the BRC S08 and it's just tapered. Y'all know how I feel about a lot of shimmer. I don't know how I feel about this look. This palette is definitely not neon. I don't know why they named it this. It's false advertisement. There's literally one neon color in the palette. I gotta go back in the middle with the matte pink I used. I'm actually gonna take that pink, the pinky looking color I used, that's not actually pink, this one, and bring it into the tear duct for pop of brightness. I'm gonna bring it in the inner corner as well. Taking Prussian PowerPoint Eye Kohl from MAC. It's just a navy liner pretty much. I'm going back in with that darker looking color, this one here. Gonna go on top of that liner now. It's going to show up darker now. For that, I'm using an e.l.f. smudge brush, literally a smudging brush for the bottom or the top, wherever you want to use it. I do like the look now, a lot. So if you want those colors to show up more intensely, just put them over something dark. particularly the duochromes. So these 5 are all duochromes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to make them show up more like their actual color, put them over a dark base like a navy or a black. Both of them pretty much work the same. I'm going back in the tear duct with that pinky color just to merge it in. I'm going back in the crease lightly. Got something in my eye. With a lime, just a little bit. I'm gonna use Urban Decay Foxy. I blended out too much of the lime. I do want that very intense. This look is actually different for me, but I really like it. I'm gonna use my magnetic ones from Allure. These have about, 15 usages. I'll probably extend that. But yeah, I'm gonna take the Allure London Pro Magnetic Lashes in Faux Mink Wispy. Gonna go ahead and apply the liner first. As you all know with these, you have to apply 3 coats of the liner. I did notice after I used these the first time, this is my second time, that you have to let it dry each time before you apply it on. Whatever, I messed up, okay? So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do the wing with another liner. I don't like using this for a wing because it's so thick. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna actually do my wing with a different liner. This is my trusty NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. Gonna apply this lash. Line the other side and do the other lash. One thing I'm afraid of, it's very windy here. I wonder if the wind will blow these off. I'm boring. I'm using the same old concealer I always use. But what can I say? It's a staple of mine. It's the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. It is not the best, I'll be honest. It's not the best concealer I own, but it never fails. If that makes any sense. It's like not my favorite. It's one of my favorites, but it's not my favorite. I'm applying some mascara to the bottom now. This is the Pure Fully Charged, if I didn't say that earlier. I use the same for the top. Okay, I'm applying some foundation now. This is the Bare Minerals Made to Fit Fresh Face Liquid Foundation. And it's my match. There's no color name because it's all custom to fit you and your skin. And you just download the app and that's how you get it. Okay, so the brush I'm gonna use is the Bare Minerals Heavenly Face Brush. It's actually Bare Essentials, that's what it says on the brush, but they're the same company. I'm using an old school favorite, MAC Superb Extra Dimension Skin Finish. Using a MAC 138. This is gonna be my highlight. I'm just gonna use what I have here, the 3 Concept Eyes blush in number 410. It's a nice peachy coral. Well, nice coral actually, it's not even peach. I'm trying not to go too vibrant or heavy with this, but sometimes it happens. I'm gonna go with this pink from Revlon. It's one of their new matte, super lustrous lipsticks. This is in Candy Addict. It looks like a nude pink, which it pretty much is, but on my skin complexion, it has a little more pink rather than nude. I'm gonna grab a lip pencil to go around because it's a lot like Pepto. I have Dolly Pink by NYX. It's one of their lip pencils. It's also gonna help your color stay on longer too. That's it for my Huda Beauty Neon look. Like I said, I don't know which neon palette this is. Unless I'm just blind and can't find it anywhere. I don't know. I'll have the name of it down below though, and also a link for you to get it if you would like. But I do like how the look turned out, and just a little on the lips. They're starting to kind of wear on me a little bit. I just realized I need to get my teeth whitened. So this is one of those colors that definitely show up, you know, yellow teeth or stained teeth if you have them. And also, this lash is not sticking. So I'm definitely gonna have a review soon on these lashes because they're not what I thought they would be. When they are what I thought they would be, because there's no glue. I mean, I'm definitely gonna remove these and apply glue to them just because I just like glue. That's my preference. But I'm gonna have a review on it. I'm gonna talk about it, experiment with them a little more before I just say I hate them completely. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Be sure to rate it. Also subscribe if you have not subscribed to me yet. And click the bell right to the right of the subscribe button so you don't miss anything I post. Talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.